Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to add audio to your Canva video? Then I have got you covered. First, you need an audio track. Then I am using a royalty-free song from Pixabay. All you have to do is just click and save it to your computer. Now open this Canva project or your video project. Then go to upload. Then all you have to do is upload your file, or even if you want you can record your own voice here. Now click upload file, then find your downloaded audio. It should be in MP3 or any audio file. Then click open. Once upload, all you have to do is find the audio track in upload section. Now you can select it or you can drag it onto your video timeline, and here it's already added to my time panel already. Now you can move the audio to match your video perfectly, but you have to remember that your video and your audio can only be as long as your video. So if your video is 20 seconds, then your audio will play for 20 seconds max. Now click on this video clip and go to the audio settings. If your video has already sound, you can mute it, or if you want you can lower the volume. And if you click this music panel, you can also change the volume of that audio as well. You can maximize it, mute it, or even if you want you can fade effect it so your sounds look smooth and natural. Then finally all you have to do is play your video to make sure your audio sounds good. If all looks great, all you have to do is click share and download your video with the audio track include, and that's it. That's how you add audio to Canva video. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.